Hello and welcome to How to Log In. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can log in to your Kearny Bank mortgage account. Go ahead and open the Chrome or Edge browser and in the Google bar, search for Kearny Bank Mortgage Login. Click on the first link which appears on your screen. It will lead you directly to the Kearny Bank main page. Now you can see on the top right hand corner, you can see the login option. Click on login and then it will lead you to the login portal of Kearny Bank Mortgage. What you need to do now is write down your username, your password and click login. This way you can successfully log in to your Kearny Bank mortgage account. You can hide or unhide the password in any time, and if you want your browser to remember yourself while you log in, click on Remember Me. And if in case you forgot your username or password, these two links are for you to retrieve your username or recover your password in any time. In case you don't have an account, click on Create Account and then you can create a Kearny Bank mortgage account for yourself. This was a video on how you can log in to your Kearny Bank mortgage account. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye and take care.